I'll show you how to make this butternut squash omelet or tortang kalabasa. Let's get started. So I'm just using this portion. So I already washed it nicely before cutting. I'm just using 2 cups. I'm using 4 eggs. Let's add some salt and bitter eggs, and we set this aside. Let's heat our oil. Let's saute our minced garlic. And our onions. Now let's add our butternut squash or kalabasa. 1 to 2 minutes. Just a pinch of salt. Let's transfer this in the bowl. And now I'm adding the beaten eggs that we set aside before. Just mix it nicely. Let's heat some oil. Let's pan fry our butternut squash. Flip and fry the other side. This is it, guys. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day.